Tenemos que defender ya. We gotta play defense right away. Right away. Stay solid on me.
Hey, I'm gonna say in English, no overhead. I'm gonna say in Spanish, no sobreayudéis. Please, no overhead, no overhead, no overhead, no overhead, no overhead, no overhead.
What is the problem?
We'll watch it.
You are last, the fucking last.
We will watch it.
Oh, yeah, no. Every time excuses. Every time excuses. Don't play nothing.
No tengo prisa para entrar en la pintura. Quiero entrar en la pintura.
It's everything. It's our toughness, our solidness, our communication, our intensity. It's just this. The game is there right now.
Use the fouls. No lay up. Hey, don't arrive well. With a chest contact foul.
It's very important to take the venta. Receive. It's a good shot. We have to shot.
It's us now. It's us. Us. Your brain, your head, your mind. You're not on the game. You think it's done. You think it's done. Now they increase the level.
Sito, they are very open on this side. Next guy's here, next guy here. You want still to do this? You know what I mean?
Ahora no te he entendido.
Están muy abiertos para ir a robar, ¿sabes?
Claro.
Now, no superhero. Superhero is the team. Superhero is the team.